Hi. In this video, you will learn American English without translating. You will hear English sentences and repeat them right away. This way, you start to think in English. The sentences are simple and perfect for beginners. Turn on subtitles to understand everything. Are you ready? I speak English without thinking. I speak English without thinking. I don't translate in my head. I don't translate in my head. I speak in simple sentences. I speak in simple sentences. I speak slowly and clearly. I speak slowly and clearly. I think slowly and clearly. I think slowly and clearly. I think in short English sentences. I think in short English sentences. What do I see now? What do I see now? I see a table and a chair. I see a table and a chair. I see a window and light. I see a window and light. What am I doing now? What am I doing now? I sit here and speak English. I sit here and speak English. I make mistakes, and that's okay. I make mistakes, and that's okay. I speak English every day. I speak English every day. I speak without translating. I speak without translating. Soon I'll speak English well. Soon I'll speak English well. I have time and patience. I have time and patience. I learn step by step. I learn step by step. I keep thinking in English. I keep thinking in English. This way I get more confident when I speak. This way I get more confident when I speak. I learn English without pressure. I learn English without pressure. Every day I learn a little English. Every day I learn a little English. I practice English super relaxed. I practice English super relaxed. I'm not afraid of mistakes. I'm not afraid of mistakes. I stay calm and take my time. I stay calm and take my time. I describe everything directly in English. I describe everything directly in English. The lawn is green and the flowers are red. The lawn is green and the flowers are red. The street is long and busy. The street is long and busy. I see many people. I see many people. I see a big house. I see a big house. The windows are open. The windows are open. I am in a small room. I am in a small room. The table is new and white. The table is new and white. I see a window. The sun is shining. I see a window. The sun is shining. When I hear a sound, I say it in English. When I hear a sound, I say it in English. I hear music. It sounds nice. I hear music. It sounds nice. I hear people. They speak softly. I hear people. They speak softly. When I eat, I think in English. When I eat, I think in English. The food is hot and tasty. The food is hot and tasty. The sky is blue and the clouds are gray. The sky is blue and the clouds are gray. The house is big and the garage is small. The house is big and the garage is small. The coffee is hot and the water is cold. The coffee is hot and the water is cold. The man is old and the child is young. The man is old and the child is young. The room is bright and the hallway is dark. The room is bright and the hallway is dark. The car is fast and the bike is slow. The car is fast and the bike is slow. The music is loud and the room is quiet. The music is loud and the room is quiet. The suitcase is heavy and the bag is light. The suitcase is heavy and the bag is light. The bus is full and the train is empty. The bus is full and the train is empty. The park is near and the beach is far. The park is near and the beach is far. I am very happy today. I am very happy today. Sometimes I am sad. Sometimes I am sad. In the evening, I'm often tired. In the evening, I'm often tired. Before a test, I am nervous. Before a test, I am nervous. Now I am calm. Now I am calm. I am proud of myself. I am proud of myself. I am thankful for my life. I am thankful for my life. I have hope for the future. I have hope for the future. Sometimes I am afraid. Sometimes I am afraid. I have a clear goal. I have a clear goal. I learn English every day. I learn English every day. I speak English as often as possible. I speak English as often as possible. I learn new words every day. I learn new words every day. I listen to English every day. I listen to English every day. I read short texts in English. I read short texts in English. I learn from my mistakes. I learn from my mistakes. I am patient with myself. I am patient with myself. I want to speak English fluently. I want to speak English fluently. I feel good even when I make mistakes. I feel good even when I make mistakes. I am here now and have no stress. I am here now and have no stress. I keep thinking calmly in English. I keep thinking calmly in English. I see my hands and the room. I see my hands and the room. I see colors and bright light. I see colors and bright light. I say the words softly in my head. I say the words softly in my head. I use short and simple sentences. I use short and simple sentences. Every day I speak a bit better. Every day I speak a bit better. I don't translate every word anymore. I don't translate every word anymore. I think directly in English, even when I am slow. I think directly in English, even when I am slow. It is new for me, but it is good. It is new for me, but it is good. I am patient and kind to myself. I am patient and kind to myself. In the morning I get up early. In the morning I get up early. I eat a small breakfast. I eat a small breakfast. I start work at 9 o'clock. I start work at 9 o'clock. During the break, I go outside for a bit. During the break, I go outside for a bit. For lunch, I eat something warm. For lunch, I eat something warm. In the evening, I'm off work. In the evening, I'm off work. At home, I relax. At home, I relax. I go to bed at 10 o'clock. I go to bed at 10 o'clock. Now the exercise is over. Now the exercise is over. Today I practiced English. Today I practiced English. I said many sentences. I said many sentences. I spoke loud and clear. I spoke loud and clear. I took enough time. I took enough time. I thought directly in English. I thought directly in English. I used new words. I used new words. I made mistakes and didn't stop. I made mistakes and didn't stop. I trained hard. I trained hard. I am proud of myself today. I am proud of myself today. Great job. Today you thought directly in English and spoke out loud. This is how you learn without translating. Practice a few minutes every day. That is more important than being perfect. If you liked the video, give me a like and write a comment. Write if you already spoke today without translating. Subscribe to the channel and keep practicing with me. Stay calm, keep talking, and trust yourself. See you in the next video.